I don't mind when a pedestrian crosses like that. Like, I mean, you can calculate the geometry of it, and you know that I'm not gonna hit the fucker. It's when they start walking out, in line with where you're heading. You just run the maths in your head where they'll be in the next 1 second and when you are in the next 1 second. If collision, shout, berate. That roundabout. It's a nightmare. I heard this. There's a roundabout in France that's just so bad that insurance refuses to pay out if you use it. They give a warning. It's like, you will not be insured when you go around this roundabout. Just saying. I think it's like the main city roundabout.
It's actually not true. I double checked the facts on this one, and it's a common myth. But anyone who gets into an accident on this roundabout, insurance companies instantly go 50-50. They do not investigate. Too much bullshit from this roundabout. It's a pretty crazy roundabout. It has 10 lanes, no road markings, and the people that have priority are the ones joining the roundabout, so the people on the roundabout have to yield. That's just madness.
Oh, he's found a shortcut. He's found a shortcut. He's memeing it. He's memeing it. A shortcut. Nice socks, mate. Oh, you cannot do that. I'm gonna like cover my eyes and do this. Oh shit. Lights have changed. Man, that guy has got the right idea for this weather. It's like a shed on wheels. Oh, he took down a traffic light. Oh shit, son! That's why I'm packing the camera at gold. There's drivers like that will hit static objects with lights on the top of them. They look like the scummy sort.
A little bit.
Oh, immediately. If they're wearing that fucking roof helmet, then yeah, they are. Where'd Pizza Boy go?
Unless he's something about Domino's.
Someone's giving him a big tip. Or he's fleeing from them scooter guys.
Maybe.
Or he's fleeing from them scooter guys.
advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.